So we're going to mount this little accessory switch thing here in the truck and wire up all the fun accessories to it. It's got a little switch thing for the dash, which is really cool. But this is going to go here, and I need a little plate for it. I also had to relocate this little guy, whatever the f this is. So here's the bracket for that thing over there. I had a piece of scrap metal that I cut with some things over there. Got this little piece here, which fits here. All right, you're seeing how this is going together. Yep. All right, here's the finished product. It's all painted up, ready to go on. See if I can get a shot underneath. That's how it's mounted, using what was holding this hose, that bolt right there. It's in. It's pretty sturdy. So I did think about it a little harder, and I think I am gonna just leave the accessory intakes right here, just so that this is easy. And I'm only gonna relocate the ground and the power out here coming out the back, to make it easy to wire into the truck. And then this, for now, will just stay in its original location. But I might move it back here and just use a smaller grommet. Or even just drill a new hole and use a smaller grommet. Because this thing just kind of sucks. But we'll see. Seems alright. Anyway, got most of it. It's pretty much done. Just gotta button up some things. But yeah, so far I'm really glad I did the relocation instead of having things coming out from here. The power and pretty much everything comes out of here. The control unit, the positive and the negative, come out from here, go to here, and then the controller comes down here on the side. I forgot to shoot the final little piece of this video, so here we are. I got the switch completely wired up. This is the actual like control unit that sits in the cab of the truck. So far I just have two things, a fog light and a this is for the engine bay. And then you can also program other stuff, so like solid on and off, or you can do like a rapid fire. Went on a little off-road trip, little weekend trip, and the engine compartment's completely nuked from that. But yeah, got the cable buttoned up. Use these little thingamadings here. Ooh. And then yeah, the controller. So I have nothing actually coming out of either side, and then just the power positive and negative coming out of the back of this. Accessories out of the front, controller out of the front, and that's it.